Hello YouTube and welcome to my channel. My name is Robert and today I got some more comedy. We're doing Bill Burr, the helicopter story animated version. Now I know of Bill Burr, I've seen him in The Mandalorian and I know he's on F for Family, but I didn't know he was a stand-up comedian. So this will be my first time listening to Bill Burr. And before we get into this, feel free to subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps me out. Hit the post notification bell, so when I drop new content, you'll know about it. Give the video a thumbs up, and feel free to leave a comment. Okay, so let's check out some Bill Burr. Here we go.
I saw this story down in Orange County, right? Down in Orange County, California. This guy gave helicopter tours for 30 years.
Okay.
30 years without incident.
All right.
Hands the business off to his son. The American dream.
Right.
Built it up for 30 years. Here you go, son. Make the family and the family name proud. All right, Dad, I love you.
Okay.
Right? This poor kid, 5 days in. He's supposed to give a tour to a couple. Only the dude shows up. The kid thought it was weird, but he's like, I need the money. I got to give him a tour, right? So he takes this guy up. 10 minutes into the tour, the dude fucking jumped out.
What?
Yeah.
No.
5 days in. 5 days in from the balloons and the cake. We love you, son. Keep the family tree going. The tradition alive. 5 fucking days later, this kid, he probably barely had the speech down. Just sitting there flying the helicopter. All right, if you look out the left side of the aircraft, that's Orange County. There's 27 miles of beaches. Put your seatbelt back on. 27 miles of beaches. Was established as a county in 1903. Sir, please don't open the door. Sir, what are you doing? Sir, no! No! Don't! No! Stop! No! No!
Yeah.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh.
Could you imagine being that poor pilot? Wow. That's insane.
Oh my god, what the fuck? What the fuck?
That's exactly what you'd be saying too.
Fuck! Air traffic control. I don't know who's on this frequency, but you really need some kind of fucking helicopter. 5 days in.
5 days.
So I read further into the story. Turns out the guy who jumped out, he was 61 years old, terminally ill, in pain every day. They couldn't figure out what was wrong with him, and he had had enough. At that point, that guy immediately became a hero in my world, right? You know what I love about him? Not only did he make the decision, he didn't go out like some pussy, right? Handful of pills, watching a romantic comedy.
Headbutts to TV.
That Nana made. Fuck that. This guy went out like a man. Take me up in a chopper. I'm looking at the land I love, and then I'm jumping out like a superhero. I loved it. Yeah. This guy.
Yeah, but holy shit. There are other ways, you know, that don't have to deal with someone else's business insurance. Wow. That's just messed up.
Should have been wearing a fucking cape. I can't imagine how elated he must have been on that helicopter ride up after finally, you know, just taking back control of his life. Like, fuck you, disease. I decide. You know, ripping tubes out, gets a burger, shotguns a beer, take me up in the chop. He probably had his fucking foot on the dashboard. He's not even listening to this guy giving the tour, right? Over 27 miles of beaches. Put your seatbelt back on. Established in the county in 1903. Sir, please don't try to open the door. No!
Oh my.
But here's the thing. I left out one small thing.
What's that?
There is one small thing. The guy fucking lived.
No.
Yeah, there they were out over the ocean.
Right.
500 feet up. You think that?
500 feet. Yeah, that might. Not gonna say I'm gonna try it, but yeah, that might. Ouch. And he lived? Holy shit.
That would be enough, though. I'm thinking he must have gone in like Greg Louganis, like no scratch.
Now, if you're not familiar, Greg Louganis, I believe, is an American diver. Won many medals in the Olympics. Yeah. Wow. No splash, exactly. Wow. That's shocking.
But witnesses said it looked like a dummy was falling out of the air, so that sounds like a hell of an impact. I think he accidentally did the most epic 500-foot belly flop. Oh. Jumping out of a helicopter, you know?
If he actually did a 500-foot belly flop, there are broken bones involved. Wow.
That didn't change what he was trying to do. Where his heart was, I still love this guy. I feel bad for him. Just on the way down, he's got to be thinking 3 more seconds of pain. 3 more seconds. Wow!
Oh, shit. Yeah, there'd be many broken bones.
Oh my God, this is worse! This is way worse!
That's incredible. Oh my God.
He later died at the hospital.
Oh my. That's the happy ending. He later died in hospital. Holy shit. Wow.
That's right. So here's to him. God bless him. I hope I
What are they doing? Oh my God. Well, there we have it. Bill Burr, the helicopter story, animated version. I thought it was pretty funny. Next time I'll have to see what Bill Burr actually does in his routine. The animated kind of gives it a little more humor. But yeah, can you just imagine falling out or jumping out on purpose, hitting the water and surviving? Just the amount of pain, you know. I've stubbed my toe and damn near pissed myself. So, or step on Lego. Oh, don't step on Lego with bare feet. All right. Well, thanks for joining me. Have a great day. We'll see you next time. Goodbye.